Hey guys, my name is Anchal Vig and I'm here to give you a pick a card reading today. So, in today's reading, we are going to focus on what is the month of August bringing your way, or what August month predictions do you need to know right now. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or the swan ring. You can choose from number 2 or the heart ring, or you can choose from number 3, and I don't know what to call this ring, but it's pretty good. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for those who have chosen the number 1, I am getting the message of detoxify. Okay, I feel that you have to cleanse either your environment or your mindset. There's a lot of things that need to be released, that need to be cleansed. The full moon is also coming in your reading, and maybe you could be a Taurus, or maybe a Taurus figure is there in your life helping you move along the way. But grounding is very important for you this month. I feel that spend more and more time around nature. Maybe you are somebody who works a lot at night, or there's a lot of connection with the moon. I also see about like not holding on to things, that is also something coming up very strongly. I feel that let go and don't hold on to what is not meant for you. And something about stability in home, or maybe around home environment, is also coming for you, like maybe building a new home, or like having more stability in your home, in your finances, because Taurus is an earth sign, and earth signs crave a lot of stability. So I think that this is the energy coming your way. To sum up, I just feel that this is a month where you just hold your ground, like you do not make any big changes, but just manifest a lot of stability. So I'll be moving on to number 2 now, and let me see what message is coming for you. Okay, so I am just getting that cool your emotions. I think this is a pretty straightforward card, and I feel that in the month of August you will have to work a lot with your emotions. And I also feel that like the Aries energy is like a lot to do with fire. Maybe you have to work a lot with fire, or you have worked a lot with fire. For some people, it could also be like speed coming up in your business venture, or maybe in your personal relationships, blockages being clear. Red is a good color for you, orange is a good color for you. Like maybe you will be making up some bold moves this month. I feel like very risk taking energy, and taking charge of things and taking control of things in the month of August. I also feel for some people that maybe you have been triggered a lot in the past, or you are currently feeling like that, and just consider this like a period where you have to learn certain lessons. You have to learn about patience, you have to learn about persistence, about uh, how to move forward even when everything is not aligned. That is your main goal over here, to learn more and more about yourself, about your spiritual growth, about things that are not always uh, going to be like given to you, handed to you, but you have to work for them, that sort of energy. So I'll be moving on to number 3 now, and let me see what energy is coming. Okay, work through your feelings. All right, so I feel, I don't know why, for people who have chosen this number, maybe you could be a counselor or a healer, or somebody who works with other people's feelings a lot. I think your work is related to this field and helping people navigate their feelings. I'm also seeing like a lot of pink and orange, again like self love I'm seeing in this message. I feel that you have to sit with yourself, you have to see what is it that you truly need, what is it that you truly require. Like as I was saying this, like I can hear like a siren in the background, you know which is like paying attention to certain people or situations around you. Like I feel like Lord, you should not let anybody else drain you, you know like I think that don't run on empty fuel. August is the month where you take some time off for yourself, where you enjoy, where you travel, and work on your heart chakra a lot in this month. I'm also seeing like new partnerships. It could be in business, it could be in love, but love is really standing out to me in the month of August for you. Like you'll receive a lot of love, lot of healing, and the last message I would say is that balance yourself. Like I'm seeing that balance your yin and yang, masculine energy, feminine energy. Like balance yourself, because over here the moon phase is also like it's more like a crescent moon, which means that borrow energy from both your dark and light parts. Like acknowledge your darkness and accept it instead of running away from it.